Hi, I'm CC. In this video, we'll demonstrate how CrownCAD's Revolve and Sweep features streamline part modeling, helping you quickly realize your design concepts. Model the bulb example on the right, start a sketch, and draw a closed 1/4 circle on the YZ plane. Use the Revolve boss divided by base command to rotate the sketch 360 degrees and generate part of the bulb base. Use the spline command to sketch the golden part of the base, then use Revolve boss divided by base to create the solid. Right-click to set the appearance and add a color. Follow the same steps to model the blue part of the base. Select the ZY plane to start a sketch. Use the line, fillet, spline, and mirror commands to draw the path for the filament and its support. Use the sweep boss divided by base command. Select a circular profile with a diameter of January 4th and generate the support. Similarly, use the sweep boss divided by base command to generate the filament and add an appearance color. Model the glass envelope by drawing an arc with a radius of 35.4. Use the Revolve surface command to generate the glass envelope, then add an appearance color and transparency. That concludes the introduction to CrownCAD's Revolve and Sweep features. Now, visit www.crownCAD.com to start your design journey.